Welcome to the Malinois X Puppy Chronicles. A Malinois X is one of the best breeds I have ever known. They are dedicated and loyal to the end. On this specific day, my loyal Malinois X made a superior effort to show her loyalty. She was coming to the vet. On this specific day, Mama Amet demanded her presence, even though Dad was looking for her. Surprise! The Malinois X just have that rough and tough built into their DNA. For their first ride in the truck, they did exceptionally well. Only one bucket of drool. And the occasional howl. My son's been spending a lot of acclimation time in the puppy pen, and I noticed today that Rakia was wearing Ranger's collar. Mrs. Artie showed her bold courage today and was willing to chew through the fence to save the pups from the vet. One of the moms come to show her love and support. She is willing to let them suckle even though she has no milk. The affection and love the Malinois X shows is above and beyond endless. What a better time for acclimation time. One of our future clients has requested a video with these two little ones, and my son was just so excited to get in here and teach. The goal today is no jumping. Not to mention, but my son definitely looks for any excuse to spend time with the pups. It's his favorite job on the homestead. Acclimation is one of my favorite times too, because it is a great way to run out that extra energy. And by this point, we finally got to get Ranger's collar back on. And they're definitely famous for that pile up while they're eating, even though there are extra dishes to eat from. After dinner time, everybody finds that little resting spot for just a brief moment. By this time, it's the end of the day, and my husband is on kennel cleanup. Sam and this other little fella have taken the new role of lookout. Moms are always on the sidelines, watching out for their beautiful little creations on the inside. Ranger just loves his little hideout. Usually after dinner time, it is always playtime with Mom's feet. As I'm getting ready to leave, my lookout Sam definitely notices something nearby. Until next time, my Malinois X family.